and our flight time to Melbourne today is 1 hour 55 minutes. The local time in Melbourne Airport is fast approaching 3:15 in the afternoon. Your cabin crew are going to cabin very soon to commence our in-flight service. In our business class cabin today, we'll be offering our afternoon tea service. And in the main cabin, we'll be offering our flexi-fare guests the meal package, while also selling items from the menu located in your seat pocket. We are happy to accept cash or credit card payments. During your service today, we'll be offering a complimentary tea, coffee and water. When the fasten seatbelt sign seatbelt signs have been turned off. We invite you to turn on your electronic equipment. Transmitting devices can only be used in flight mode or selected prior to takeoff. We also give you this opportunity to then also enjoy our Wi-Fi internet system. We do have 2 lavatories at the rear of the cabin for our guests seated in the main cabin. But please now sit back, relax, enjoy the Virgin Australia service to Melbourne, and if we can assist you at any time during the flight, please ask your cabin crew on board.